Who would have thought just one hairstyle could set the internet on fire overnight? Yes, you read that right. One hairstyle. Wonyoung's elegant princess-style braids have skyrocketed to number 17 on the Weibo entertainment chart, racking up 97.4 million readers and 116,000 active discussions in less than 24 hours. Fans, netizens, and media outlets are all talking about the same thing. This isn't just another trend. It's the Wonyoung effect. Picture this. An idol steps out with the aura of royalty on a red carpet. Her hair is half up with two thin braids on each side, tied neatly at the back. One photo later, the internet completely loses its mind. The hashtag Wonyoung princess braid shot to the top of trending lists not only in Korea, but also in China, Japan, Thailand, and Indonesia. Fans call it the new soft power of K-pop beauty. One Weibo user wrote, "I don't know who her stylist is, but that person deserves a national award." Another added, "Every time Wonyoung braids her hair, the world becomes a better place." Dramatic? Maybe. But who can deny the impact? If you've been in the K-pop scene long enough, you know one thing. Whatever Wonyoung wears or does instantly becomes a trend. From ribbon hair ties to Y2K miniskirts and signature V poses, everything turns into a global fashion statement. This time, the buzz is even louder. Wonyoung debuted this hairstyle at a major event, and fans described her as a princess stepping down from a royal carriage. Her long black hair flowed gently, with two thin side braids tied back and decorated with a soft blue ribbon. Fashion outlets in Korea quickly dubbed it a modern princess aesthetic, a mix of classic elegance with Gen Z softness. Tutorials flooded TikTok and Instagram Reels overnight. The hashtag Wonyoung Braid Challenge exploded with millions of views in just 2 days. The power of K-pop fandom is real, and this trend is proof. Fans rushed to recreate the hairstyle, posting their versions online with dramatic, playful captions. "I don't know if this is my hair or if I just reincarnated as local Wonyoung. Why does this braid make me feel like the main character?" On popular K-pop forums like the Koo and Pan, discussions about the princess braid reached thousands of comments. Some fans even claim salons are being flooded with requests for the Wonyoung hairstyle. Let's break down the numbers. 97,493,000 Weibo readers in 24 hours. Over 116,000 active discussions. Hashtag trending in 7 Asian countries. 12.3 million TikTok tutorial views. 520,000 plus Reels and TikTok videos using the look. Chinese media outlets have already called it the hairstyle of the year. Beauty influencers in China and Japan are labeling it the K-beauty look of fall 2025. One of the most fascinating parts of this trend is how fast it spread internationally. Within a week, Wonyoung's princess braid became a viral template across Asia. South Korea, salons report daily requests for the look. China, tutorials and reaction videos dominate Weibo. Japan, Harajuku fashion enthusiasts adapt the look with a bolder twist. Thailand and Indonesia, local beauty influencers join the challenge. Netizens say the braid is flattering, simple, and easy to recreate, perfect for anyone chasing that soft, main character vibe so popular with Gen Z. When a trend is hot, brands don't stay silent. Korean accessory brands have started releasing limited edition ribbons and headbands inspired by Wonyoung's princess braid. Global beauty influencers are also joining the movement, posting how to get Wonyoung's braid in 5 minutes tutorials. Many of these videos are hitting millions of views within a single day. This look softens your face and gives an instantly classy vibe. It's not just a hairstyle, it's an aesthetic movement, wrote a Chinese beauty influencer. Of course, with any viral trend comes speculation. Fans have been trying to figure out who exactly created this hairstyle. Is it the same stylist from her Fashion Week look? What if this was Wonyoung's own idea? If yes, she's a genius. A hashtag dedicated to the stylist, hashtag Wonyoung Stylist, has emerged on Weibo with thousands of fans demanding to know the creative mind behind the trend. Wonyoung fans worldwide have started hosting online braid parties, sharing tutorials, posting their own recreations, and even organizing mini salon events. Some Indonesian fan communities are calling it a national braid day. Wonyoung has always been iconic, but this time she unlocked main character energy, wrote a popular fan base account on X. Wonyoung's braided hairstyle didn't just go viral. It showed the world once again how one K-pop idol can shape pop culture across continents. A single visual moment sparked a movement, turning millions of fans into participants in a global trend. So, the real question is, are you ready to join the Princess Braid era? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried the braid or are you planning to? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the hottest K-pop trends.